So guys, I finally, after almost a month, received my vlogging kit. So I'm going to open it up and see what's in here. I'm going to install it and I'm going to show you the final setup. So basically, it's an articulating arm, a case for the GoPro, the arm goes on the helmet, a mic and a mic adapter. So let's open this and see what's in it. So this is fairly simple. It's really just a mic adapter that'll connect to the GoPro so I can plug a mic in. I tried vlogging without any mic or anything, and you couldn't hear anything because of the wind noise and the sound of the bike. What's this? This is the articulating arm. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff in here. I got this on Amazon. So a couple of pads, clips, little tie-offs. Anyway, I'll see how it looks after once I put everything together. I decided to go with the Purple Panda mic kit because it has a nice bag to put everything away in. No, but all jokes aside, what's in here? Plug, mic, little holder. I don't know what this is. Sound muff maybe. And last, yeah, okay, a couple more of these plugs. But seriously, it does have a nice bag. And this is what took the most time. A Ulanzi G85 for GoPro. It's solid. It's a little heavy, so I don't know how it's gonna feel once it's installed on the helmet. But a bunch of things. You can put the mic adapter here. This is for other add-ons. Anyway, I'll install this. And we'll see how the final kit looks, but this looks solid. That's it. So I'll come back with the final setup. Thank you guys.
Hey guys, I'm back. So I finished the installation yesterday, but I did not film the final setup. The Ulanzi case is quite large, so I had to put it under my chin because the case hides or actually blocks my view a little bit, and I'm distracted by the screen in the back when the video is on. So this is it. I will let you know how it works. To be honest, I'm not quite sure that this will work because the case is kind of heavy, and as you can see, it's just by the weight, it's already coming off a little bit. So I'll go ahead and try it out today, see how it goes, and I will let you guys know.
Okay guys, so just a little update. It came off. The Ulanzi case is pretty heavy for this tape, so I've got some Tough and Clear Gorilla Glue double-sided tape. I'll try that on tomorrow and see how it works. I will let you guys know. Thank you. Have a good night.